Hey guys.
What's up?
Corey and Therese here with the Tech Couple. And we've got...
a package.
Seems like that's been happening quite regularly these days.
Yes, it has.
So thanks to the good folks at...
iBlason?
Hey, I like that one. Let's roll with it.
iBlason.
iBlason. For the package.
With a couple of iPhone 10 cases. We actually are familiar with their products. We both are using their cases.
For our MacBook Pros.
Yeah, and they've been doing pretty well there. So hopefully these phone cases do not disappoint. Let's dig on in. Oh, I get to cut it open? I don't think this is a cut open. It's not. You just
I set you up for failure.
He only gave me the knife because I didn't need it.
Mm-hmm.
That's not what I do with the kids. All right, we have
two completely separate looking cases.
two. That's not even, there they go. We have the iPhone 10 Halo Clear and the iPhone 10 Hera Black.
Black and clear, black and clear, black and clear, black and clear. You know what it is.
All right, let's dig into this one, shall we? Oh, this feels
hefty.
It does. As soon as I open this thing, this does feel a little on the heftier side.
So there's that guy. So that's Clayco, which is weird, but I don't know if this case is screen protector friendly.
We're about to see. It has drop protection.
I would hope so.
I hope it protects me from that dropper trying to get this case on.
But pro tip. It should have been obvious to me, but you want to put the button side in first and then slide in the other side.
Okay.
Sneeze. Or cough.
Okay, I will be clearly teaching our kids proper medical terms. All right.
That looks durable like your mom was asking about earlier. She's talking about a durable case.
Yeah, my mom was looking for an OtterBox, and this is...
It's for an iPhone 8 Plus before y'all like, well, shouldn't you just give that one to her? Because we would, but she didn't get a 10.
Okay, so this is extremely durable. This is a thick case.
Why don't you drop it? That seemed pretty durable to me.
Yeah, absolutely nothing happened to my phone. Yeah, this is...
That's your new phone case. It took us so long to get on, I don't know if you're ever taking it off.
Oh man, but we have another case to look at. We should have done this one second. Hindsight is 2020. All right, so it has the little
cover for your lightning adapter.
And for your sleep wake toggle.
Fancy.
For how thick it is, I'm sure you can imagine it is giving plenty of coverage for the camera bump. Land
the table protection, as technically T would say.
Yeah, oh yeah.
Links to his channel in the description box below. Shout out to T, what up dog? Well, I'm moving on to the iPhone 10 Halo Clear.
Oh, I'm gonna like that one, but I can't get my phone out of this one.
Stand by.
Well, that was much easier coming off than it was getting on.
There you go.
Oh, this already feels a little more solid than other clear cases have felt lately. This one at least has some branding, so I know what it is. It does. Okay. All right, so.
That look nice.
You know, I actually really like the way that this clear case feels. It feels sturdy. Feels really solid. A lot of clear cases can sometimes feel a little thin, but this one, it feels good. Feels good. Buttons are nice and tactile. The cutouts all line up properly. Even the camera comes basically right up to that big old bump.
Any lip action?
A little.
Oh yeah, there's some lip action.
It's got a little lip. I'm using a tempered glass.
Yeah, now that you're on tempered glass.
I'm using the tempered glass now, so it definitely is offering some good enough coverage. It's coming up above the tempered glass. And then in the back, yeah, it covers the camera bump as well. There's still a sheet of plastic on it.
I don't know if you can tell by looking at it, but the front dips down and the front and the back, so it gives you even more of a look as far as like a face down drop.
Good.
And raises on the corners.
As per usual, our only long-term concern with clear cases is sometimes they can yellow. They can take on a yellowish hue with use. I don't see this specifically acknowledging, it may say something on the website. The box does not say anything about anti-yellowing, so time will tell, but it is military drop tested.
And check that description box below. If it is anti-yellowing, we'll definitely let you know down below.
Absolutely. Hopefully it is, because I'm always on the lookout for a good clear case to let you see how pretty my phone is. And still be protected, because Corey hates naked iPhones. So.
I do with the passion.
Well, yeah, guys, I think that's about it. Pretty straightforward. These look good. These look like they are definitely going to offer you some protection. If we figure out something else later, we'll also let you know that.
So thank you, iBlason.
Yeah,
for the cases.
Absolutely, thank you for sending those products out. As per always, you guys are free to leave us some comments, free and encouraged to leave us some comments. Let us know if you have any experience with these companies, what you think or have thought. If there's any cases that you think that we should give a try, then by all means, let us know. And Corey, how can they stay in contact with us in the future?
I don't know how they can stay in contact with us, but I tell you what, I need them to smash, punch, click, hit, whatever you want to do to that subscribe button, however you get down,
do it.
Just make sure that it changed from subscribe to subscribed.
Just do it.
And then if you're feeling super froggy, that's why I got this green on. If you're feeling froggy, go and hit that notification button. Why should they hit that?
Because we have a lot of dope stuff coming up and you do not want to miss it.
Sure don't.
Absolutely.
So, bye.
That's rude. Well, he said bye. I'm Sharice.
I'm Corey.
We're the tech couple.
And we'll see you later.
Now we can say bye. Bye.